Assalamualaikum grade 10. Hopefully you all will be great. Today date is 31st August 2020. It's my 41st lecture and day is Monday. Today I am going to discuss about second essay. We have discussed about the essay my last year at school. Today I am going to discuss about the essay sports and games, and I told you whenever you write an essay you will write an outline of the essay. यानी हम जब भी ऐसे स्टार्ट करेंगे हम ऐसे की आउटलाइन पहले बनाएंगे, स्मॉल आउटलाइन देंगे. आउटलाइन इज़ द माइंड मैप आर द पॉइंट्स ऑफ द ऐसे इन विच वी आर गोइंग टू राइट. यानी डिफरेंट एरियाज़ या जो पॉइंट्स हमने लिखने हैं उनको हम शॉर्ट वे में आउटलाइन के शेप में देंगे कि हम इन पैराग्राफ्स पे या इन जो है आइडियाज़ पे इस ऐसे को लिखेंगे. सच एज इन आउटलाइन फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ विल बी अबाउट इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स एंड गेम्स. In second paragraph, you will write scope of sports and games in Pakistan. In third paragraph, games makes us fit and healthy. In fourth paragraph, you will write general sports are favorite in Pakistan. Fifth, different contests arranged for sports or different camping are arranged for sports. And then you have to write the conclusion in last paragraph. So whenever you write any outline, you will just show it, then you will going to write on these areas or on these points in this essay. यानी हमने इन सब पॉइंट्स को इस essay में डिस्कस करना है वन बाय वन, और लास्ट में हमने कंक्लूजन लिखना है. I hope you will understand. And whenever we start first paragraph, we don't write the heading. हम आउटलाइन को हेडिंग नहीं बनाते, हम जस्ट ऐसे को एज इट इज़ लिखेंगे. आउटलाइन के बाद हमने कोई हेडिंग नहीं देनी कि हमने फर्स्ट जो पॉइंट है उसको फर्स्ट हेडिंग कर दें, सेकंड पे जो आइडिया है उसको हम सेकंड हेडिंग में लिखते हैं. ऐसा नहीं लिखना. हमने जस्ट ऐसे पैराग्राफ 1 2 3 4 इस तरह से लिखना है और उसके साथ हम कोई भी हेडिंग नहीं देते हैं. स्पोर्ट्स एंड गेम्स आप लिखेंगे, उसके बाद आउटलाइन लिखेंगे, उसके बाद जो भी आपका आइडियाज़ हैं उसको आप वन बाय वन पैराग्राफ में जो है मेंशन कर देंगे. सी इट ऑन योर बुक, इट्स ऑन पेज नंबर 47. Essay is given on sports and games. See first paragraph. Sports and games play an important role in the development of human personality. They are no less important than food and fresh water. The developed countries like England, Germany, France and USA have made games an essential part of education at the school level. It is interesting to note that there are many nurseries and training centers for games in these countries. They admit boys and girls for necessary training to become future athletes, gymnastics and sportsmen. So in first paragraph they have covered why the sports are important and in which countries they have taught at school level. See the second paragraph. No doubt games and sports are becoming popular in Pakistani schools as well. The facilities of course are not adequate, यानी काफ़ी नहीं है. At present the situation is expected to improve in the near future. You can also mention it how the sports and games can be given more important in Pakistani schools as well. It is not that you have to copy this essay, you have to write your own ideas or your own point of view in the essay. आपने क्रिएटिव राइटिंग में कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि यही ऐसे आपने लिखना है. इट इज़ जस्ट गिव यू द आइडिया. यू कैन राइट योर ओन points or you can write your own idea about sports and games. See the third paragraph. In the Pakistani schools, boys and school girls know fully well the meaning of the proverb all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. They know that their growing bodies needs regular physical exercise to keep themselves healthy and fit. You can add more points in this, that how we can make us fit and healthy by sports and games. General sports include hunting, fishing, tangling. Tangling and fishing are the same. Riding, cycling, mountaineering, माउंटेन क्लाइंबिंग को कहते हैं, इज़ बिकमिंग फेवरेट स्पोर्ट ऑफ पाकिस्तानी स्कूल बॉयज़ इन समर टाइम अमंग द माउंटेन्स ऑफ मरी, लथिया गली, सवात, चित्राल, खागान and the Karakoram highway. So you can also tell us what are the general sports. You can also write about the indoor games and the outdoor games play in Pakistan. There are many indoor games and there are many outdoor games which are favorite in for boys and girls in Pakistan, such as in indoor games they play badminton. Badminton can be played easily in indoor, and they can go for fishing. Fishing is a game. Hunting, riding, cycling, these are all outdoor games. You can mention that the general games which are outdoor games which are favorite for Pakistanis. You can mention these games, that these are all outdoor games which the Pakistani students or Pakistani girls and boys play or like to play. Next paragraph, a number of school clubs and societies hold athletic contests. These contests include walking, jogging, jumping, swimming, rowing, wrestling, boxing, hammer, disc throwing, lightweight lifting and gymnastics. So all of these games are played in these school clubs or in contests. These are small games, यानी time consuming नहीं है, छोटी छोटी सी games है, और they are arranged in different school clubs. An athlete is trained to be perfectly fit to engage in these contests. इन contests में जितने भी एथलीट्स हैं वो इजीली पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं, यानी स्विमिंग, जंपिंग, रोरिंग, बॉक्सिंग, ये इतनी इजी गेम्स हैं कि इनमें कोई भी जो है इजीली पार्टिसिपेट कर सकता है. The last paragraph are the conclusion. Moreover, football, hockey, cricket, tennis, badminton and table tennis are among of favorite organized games in Pakistan. ये बहुत organized games हैं because they are time-taking games such as football, hockey, cricket, tennis, badminton. These are all time-taking games. All such sports and games certainly benefit both mind and body. They create cheerfulness, discipline, fellowship, confidence and physical fitness. So that is the conclusion why we play the games and what we learn or get from these games. You can also mention that how you can arrange or you can participate in different kind of games at school level. In school level you have a sports week, and in sports week different kind of games are played, and you can participate in these games easily to improve, or you can improve your health, you can improve your mind, you can refresh yourself by these games. So the topic is sports and games, and you have to discuss all kind of sports and games played in Pakistan and in all over the world, and why they are important, how you can improve your health from these games. So it is up to you. You can write this essay or you can add more lines in this essay. You can change the idea. You can write about indoor, outdoor games and how you can play or participate in games at school level or in college level. So it is your home task. You have to write an essay on sports and game by writing how outline, यानी स्पोर्ट्स एंड गेम्स को आपने पहले आउटलाइन मस्त लिखनी है. आउटलाइन लिखने के बाद आपने ऐसे लिखना है, और ऐसे में कोई हेडिंग नहीं होनी चाहिए, जस्ट पैराग्राफ्स हों. जितने भी आपने पॉइंट्स लिखने हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंगली पैराग्राफ्स लिखें, उसमें कोई भी हेडिंग नहीं होनी चाहिए. दैट इज़ योर वर्क, दैट इज़ योर होम टास्क. अल्लाह हाफिज़.